Hi budding doctors, myself Adira. Today we are dealing with Narasimha Rasayana. About Lord Narasimha. Among the Dashavadaras of Vishnu, Narasimha is the fourth avatara, coming after Matsya, Kurma, Varaha. Fourth avatara is Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Lord Rama, Lord Balarama, Lord Krishna, and Kalki Avatara. Hiranyakashipu, a demon, had a varam that he could be killed neither by a human nor by an animal, not on the earth nor in the sky, and not with any weapon. So Lord Vishnu took the form of a half lion and a half human and killed the demon with his nails, keeping him on his thighs. Reference of Narasimha Rasayana is from Ashtanga Hridaya, Uttara Tantra, 39th chapter, 169 to 173 sloga numbers. Coming to sloga recitation. Gayatri Shigishim Shipasanam Shiva Vellakshakarushkaran Pishtwashtadasha Sanghunembasi Gridhan Ghande Sahayomayai Patre Lohamaye Treham Ravikare Ralodhayan Pachayet Agnau Chanumridau Saloha Shakalam Padastidam Tatpajet Pudasyam Shakshirado Ashastadhamsho Bharga Niryasat Dvavarayasтрayomshaha Amsha Chatvarascheha Hayyangavinat Egi Krityede Sadhayet Krishna Lauhe Vimalaganda Sida Madhubipradak Yudamayuktamidam Yadivagridam स्वरुजिभोजनपानविचेष्टितो भवति न पलशपरिशीलयन् श्रीमान्निर्धूतपाप्मावनमहिषबलो वाजिवेगस्थिराङ्गा केशैर्भृङ्गाङ्गनीलैर्मधुसुरभिमुखो नैकयोषिन्निषेवी वाग्मेधादिसमृद्धसुपटुः तवहो मासमात्रोपयोगात् दत्ते असौ नारसिंहवपुरनलशिक तप्तचामीकराभम् हत्तारं नारसिंहस्य व्याधयो न स्पृशन्त्यभि चक्रोज्ज्वलभुजं भीत नरसिंहमिवासुराः. The first line, Gayatri, that is Kadhira, Shigi is Chitraka, Shimshapa is Agharu, Asana is Bijaga, Shiva Haritaki, Vella Vidanga, Akshaga is Vibhitaki, and Arushkara is Ballataka. Second line, Pishtva, Edani Ashtau Aushadani Samani Pishtva. The 8 ingredients mentioned in the first line is to be taken one part each. Ashtadasha Sangune Ambasi, 18 parts of water. Gridhan Ghande Sahayomayehi Patre Lohamaye, in Loha Patra. Treham, that is Trini, 3 days we are keeping in Ravikare Ralodhayan. Dinani Dinakare Rashoshayan, 3 days we are keeping in sunlight. Pachayet, in Agnau Chanu Mrudhau, in Mandagni. Saloha Shakalam Padastidam Tatpajet. Padastidam is 1/4 part remains, that is we are preparing a kashaya. Pudasyamsha, the portion that remains after filtering, is considered to be 1 part. Kshirado Ashastadhamsho, Kshira, go Kshira, we can take it in the same quantity. 1 part kashaya, 1 part Kshira. Bharga Niryasat, that is Bringaraja Kashaya, Dvau, 2 parts. Varayastrayomshaha, that is Triphala Kashaya, we are taking in 3 parts. Amsha Chatvarascheha Hayyangavinat, here Hayyangavinat is Navanida or butter, which is taken in 4 parts. Egi Krityedet Sadhayet Krishna Lauhe, Krishna Loha, we are doing the Pachana. Vimala Ghanda Sida Madhubi, here Sida is a caram of Ishnaram, sugar candy, Madhu is honey. Pridak Yudamayuktamidam Yadivagridam, We can take the Rasayana as it is if the patient is palatable, or along with Anupana that is mentioned in this line with Siddha or Madhu. Swaruji Bhojana Pana Vicheshtido. This is the main highlight of Narasimha Rasayana. There is no need for Patyahara and Vihara. Kritahara Pana Viharo Naraha Bhavati Na Palasha Parishilayan. This is the dosage, that is one pala. One becomes Sriman, healthy, Nirduda Patma, devoid of sins, free from diseases, we can say. Vana Mahisha Balo, Vana Mahisha Tulya Bala, strong as a wild buffalo. Vaji Vega, Ashwasya Vegena Sama, swift like a horse. Sthiranga, Drida Sharira. Keshir Bringanga Neeler, hair becomes black. Madhu Surabhi Mugo, pleasant face or mouth smells as that of a kasturi. Naika Yoshin Nishevi, liked by many women. Vak Medha Dhi Samriddha, good speech, intellect and memory. Supatu Hutavaho, Supatu is Tikshna, Hutavaho is Agni. One attains Tikshnagni. Masa Matroba Yogat, consuming Narasimha Rasayana for 1 month. Datte asau Narasimham Vapuranala Shiga Taptachami Karabham Attaram Narasimhasya Vyadhayo Nasprishandyabi. Person who consume Narasimha Rasayana will not get any diseases, or diseases fear to touch the patient. Chakrojwala Bhujam Bita Narasimha Mivasuraha, like asuras do not attack Lord Narasimha as he holds the chakra in his hand. This slide deals with the ingredients and method of preparation of Narasimha Rasayana. Here, Anupana, dose and uses of Narasimha Rasayanam is explained. Indications: hair loss, premature graying of hair. Along with the Narasimha Rasayana, while taking orally, Neeli Bringadi Taila can be massaged into the scalp, which will promote the hair growth, rejuvenate the damaged hair and slows down the graying of hair. In emaciation and chronic fatigue, Ashwagandha, Arishtam and Narasimha Rasayana is taken together. For those who are underweight, it will support the healthy weight gain. And in male infertility, Narasimha Rasayana and Spermacort is taken together for infertility and loss of libido. If the dose prescribed is too high for a particular patient, then there will be indigestion, diarrhea and all. So dose should be lowered as immediately as possible. As Narasimha Rasayana contains Ballataka as one of the ingredient, while administering, some patients may show some allergic reactions. Hope this video is useful for all of you. Shows your interest in the form of likes and comments. Thank you.